We are taking Ayamase stew to another level. If you want to see how I make this Ayamase stew without no palm oil, keep watching and you will be amazed how I make this delicious Ayamase Designer Orishorishi stew. Thank you so much guys for watching. Welcome back again to my channel. How you guys doing today? I hope everyone are doing good. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome to Share with Love TV. Thank you so much for stopping by. And to all my fellow content creators, this one for now adapt for you guys. I toilet for every one of you. Thank you so much. Today is another cooking video and I'm going to be cooking Ayamase stew. And guess what guys, I'm going to be using the Fantastic Favour recipe. Okay, she cooked this stew and I was so like, okay, I need to try to see how it is. Normally, Ayamase stew is cooked with palm oil, but this recipe, we're not going to be needing palm oil. We're going to be using our regular vegetable oil, okay? Let me cook this soup and I will tell you guys how it tastes, okay? Let's dive into this cooking and I'll see you in a bit, okay? I'm going to tell you how it tastes, how it feels, the difference and all, okay? Thank you so much guys. Okay guys, these are the ingredients I'm going to be using. I have my shrimp, my habanero pepper, onions, egg. Of course we're going to be using egg for this Ayamase stew. I'm going to be using turkey, okay? I'm going to be using turkey for this Ayamase stew. And right there I have my bell pepper. I have 4 green bell pepper and 2 red one. That is my garlic powder. I have my salt to taste. I have a onion powder. That's curry powder. That is thyme. I have my thyme and my seasoning. That's my no seasoning. In a clean pot, I'm gonna add all my turkey inside a clean pot. Okay, then I'll add my onions and a little bit of habanero pepper. Then I have my seasoning, my Maggi, my onions powder, my thyme, and I also added curry. Then I'll add water to allow it to cook, okay? That is my curry that I'm adding right now. Then I'm going to add onions powder. That's onions powder. You can add any seasoning of your choice, okay? You can have any seasoning of your choice. That is garlic powder. Then I'm going to add salt to taste also. Then I'm adding water, okay? I'm just going to add a little water. I will give it a little stir. Then I'll cover. I'll allow it to cook till it is done. While the turkey is cooking, I'll go ahead and blend my peppers, okay? I'm gonna be blending all my pepper. Then I will steam the pepper until the water is dried, okay? As you can see here right now, I'm just cutting up my onions. Then I'll cut the red bell pepper, taking out the seed. I'm just rinsing it hard so that the seed inside will come out. I've already washed the bell pepper before, but I'm just using that water to rinse out the seed because I don't want seed inside the pepper, okay? As you can see, I'm just gonna slice my bell pepper so that it will be easier for the machine, for the blender to blend the pepper. As you can see, to cut the bell pepper, I'll just cut it, chop it up and blend. Thank you so much everyone for watching. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and put on your notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I post a video. And to all my fellow content creators, I appreciate every one of you. I'm still cutting the bell pepper. I just want to blend it, okay? Okay, right here I just added a little water to the blender so that it will be able to blend properly. I'm just going to blend. I'm not going to let it to be too smooth, okay? I just want it to blend a little bit, roughly blended. Then I will pour it inside the pot. Yeah, I'm blending the rest part of the bell pepper. As you can see, I'm going to blend it. I don't want it to be too smooth, okay? Okay, just put it inside the pot. Then I'm going to transfer it to the stove. As you can see, I'm going to transfer it to the stove. I will allow it to cook. All the water inside, I will allow it to cook and let it dry. As you can see, I'm checking on my turkey. The turkey is already done. Yeah, the turkey is already done. I'm going to wait for the bell pepper to cook. And right there, over there, as you can see that little pot over there, I'm boiling my egg, okay? I didn't show it on the camera, but there's over that pot by your left hand side, that is egg. I'm boiling my egg that I'm going to be using for this stew. Right now, this the bell pepper is already dried the way I like it. I'm just going to transfer into a bowl. As you can see, I transfer into a bowl. Then with that same pot that I used to cook the turkey, I'm going to add my vegetable oil, okay? I'll allow the oil to heat up a little bit. Then I'll add my chopped onions, okay? Add my onions, and I'm adding my thyme right now. Adding my thyme and the ginger powder. I'll allow it to simmer for a little bit before I transfer the bell pepper, the already boiled bell pepper, okay? I just give it a little stir because I just want the thyme and the garlic powder to infuse inside the oil. Just give it a little stir for about a minute or so. Then I'll add my cooked bell peppers, okay? Guys, this stew was so delicious, guys. If you are the type that like the oil one, just give this a try, guys. Give this a try and you will love it. You guys are gonna love it, okay? I'm just gonna allow it to fry for a little bit. Just give it a little stir. I'll allow it to fry for a little bit. You guys already know that the bell pepper is already done. I'll give it a quick stir. Then I'll transfer my turkey. I did not fry my turkey. I'm not going to fry my turkey. I'm not going to bake my turkey. I'm just going to transfer it like that. I'm just adding my turkey right now. The turkey is already cooked. I'm adding it inside the sauce. As you can see, transfer the turkey. You can cook this ayamase with any chicken, any meat of your choice, okay? You can cook it with chicken, you can cook it with goat meat, any meat of your choice, but I just want to try it with turkey. I just want to cook it exactly the way Fantastic Favour cook this ayamase to see how it tastes, guys. And it tastes good, guys. My kids love it. They were like, "Mommy, can you cook more of this?" Now I'm adding my chopped bell pepper because I love it spicy. I'm adding my onions powder, a little bit of onions powder to eat right now, as you can see. added some. Then I'll go ahead and add my stock meat, the turkey stock. I'm going to add it to it right now. So you can see I've already added it to it. At this point, you can decide to add some water to it if you want, but I don't want my whole to be too soggy. I'm adding my shrimp right now. As you can see, I'm adding my shrimp. The shrimp is already pre-cooked, okay? It's already pre-cooked shrimp. I'm adding it to it. I'll just give it a stir. I'll cover and allow it to cook. It doesn't take a lot of time, guys. I'm adding salt to taste. It does it. This what is it called? Of father stew. Now I'm adding my egg to it, guys. You guys see this stew? This stew was like, oh my goodness, it was so yummy. It was so new. I ate a lot of rice. I cheated on myself that day. I cheated on myself, like I ate a lot because it was so good. I keep eating. My kids love it, guys. They love it. Next time I'm gonna cook more of this. Okay, now this stew is ready, guys. You can decide to eat this with yam if you want to, or plantain. You can use plantain to eat this sauce also. You can use your white rice. I ate mine with my white rice. Yeah, guys, you see the oil on the top. That's to tell you that the stew is ready. Thank you, Fantastic Favour, for introducing this recipe to us. Thank you, guys. Okay, guys, we've come to the end of this video. I'm done cooking, and I can't lie you, the stew was so delicious, guys. It was so delicious. My kids love it. Okay, thank you, Fantastic Favour, for bringing her this recipe. I love it. The kids love it. Guys, if you don't have Fantastic Favour, and I'm going to leave the link to the exact same recipe in my description box, okay, so that you guys can go and check it out. Okay, I love you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Bye.